how to fix Bluetooth issues on iPhone after updating to iOS 26.
Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth issues on your iPhone after updating to iOS 26. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. So if your iPhone's Bluetooth is refusing to connect, keeps glitching, or just isn't working properly after the iOS 26 update, the first thing we're going to do is reset the network settings. Go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on General. From here, scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings. This step will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, and VPN settings, but it will not delete your photos, apps, or personal data. What it does is clear out any broken or corrupted network settings caused by the update. After the reset, connect back to Wi-Fi and pair your Bluetooth devices again. In most cases, this alone fixes the problem. Next, go back to the main settings page. Open Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. If your Bluetooth device is connected but there's no sound or it's acting weird, tap the little eye icon next to the device. Choose Forget this device. Once it's removed, pair the device again. This creates a brand new connection and often fixes audio issues and random disconnects. After that, restart your Bluetooth device itself. Turn off your headphones, speaker, or any other Bluetooth accessory, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. If your device supports a factory reset, you can try that as well, but usually a simple restart is enough. Now, head back to Settings, tap on General, open Software Update. If there's a new iOS update available, download and install it. Apple often releases small bug fix updates after major releases like iOS 26, and these updates can fix Bluetooth issues automatically. If Bluetooth still isn't working, try connecting a different Bluetooth device to your iPhone. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with your phone or with the original Bluetooth accessory. As a last solution, you can reset all settings on your iPhone. Tap on General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. This will reset things like Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, notifications, and wallpapers, but your photos, videos, and apps will stay exactly the same. This step is very effective because it clears out deep system glitches without wiping your data. If this video helped you out, leave a comment down below and subscribe for more simple tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.